Here is a Toyota Highlander, and that's where the light is. In order to access it, we have to open up the hatch. Let's go ahead, open this up, and now we need to get this light out. For that, we need to get this plastic panel off. For that, you'll need a flathead screwdriver, put it right over there behind it, and then use it like a lever to pry this panel off. It'll come right out. I'll show you in detail how to put it back later on. Now we need to get these two bolts out. For that, you will need a 10mm socket ratchet combination. Having a long extension like this makes it easier. Let's go ahead and get those two bolts out one by one and keep them somewhere safe. Now rock the light loose a little bit. Now from the side, just push it back straight to the back of the car. It'll pop right out. Now we have to get this entire light out. You can't just replace the bulbs because it's LED bulbs. So first off, let's go ahead and get this electrical connector off. But very likely it won't come off just by pressing over there. Get the flathead screwdriver and then use that to pry over there. Just press and then pry the electrical connector off, and off it comes. Grab this bulb holder, twist it left and get the bulb out. Now get this wire out from there and the light is out. See, LED bulbs, you can't replace them. You have to replace the entire assembly. Check the link in the description to buy it from Amazon. Let's go ahead and now put this bulb in first. Now right over there, see this little notch which is on the light? Now that notch lines up with this little arrow that's in the bulb holder once it's locked. So this will help you get the bulb holder back in place. Twist it right and it's locked. And see how the arrow and the notch lines up? Now let's just get the electrical connector back on. Click it back on. Good. Let's get this wire back in place. And let's put the light back on. Now let's put this light back in position, and you have to focus on the front edge. Apply some force on it while you slide it in. Apply some force there and then slide this in. Good. Now let's focus on those two bolt holes over there. They need to go around those white holes, plastic holes inside. Make sure you don't damage and bend it when you're putting the light back in. Let's put these two bolts back on and then tighten them down. And let's now get this cover on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Line up with the 1, 2, 3, 4 clips here. Just put it back in place and then press it on to secure it. And that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.